We are talking about wine today. It's all about understanding German wines by drinking. Hey wine friends, welcome. I'm Rita and I'm a linguist and a passionate wine lover, and I'm also the founder of Prädikatsweine Wine. Today we are learning German wine terms, so grab a glass of wine, perhaps a German wine, and a good sip, and let's dive into it. We start with the words Trockenbeerenauslese. Wines come from grapes that dry on the vine after Botrytis sets in. The grapes shriveled up and must be picked by hand. Trockenbeerenauslese wines are rich and sweet. They are dessert wines, also keep for many years. Trockenbeerenauslese, sometimes known as TBA, the highest must-wait Prädikat wines by German wine law. German wine classification based on ripeness level and sugar content of the grapes. Trockenbeerenauslese are among the greatest sweet wines in the world. Trocken literally means dry. Beeren means berries, and Auslese means select harvest. So, Trockenbeerenauslese. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please let me know in a comment below. Wine lovers, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up. And don't forget to click on the red button to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to drink something tasty tonight, German wine maybe. Prost!